are you? Snow. Some Georgia snow from the snowstorm that we had. Y'all know I'm a big, huge believer of chemtrails and this whole situation in the Rodego. Everyone knows as soon as you put fire to ice, it's going to melt. Let's see if it works. No drippings. Come smell this. It smells like plastic. No drip. Look at that. This is snow, folks. And it smells like plastic. Smell that.
Oh.
It smells like burnt plastic. Look. No, look. Put it up to me real quick. No, like that. Okay, look. I'm going to do it once again, folks. These chemtrails that you're seeing in the sky, yeah, they're not. They're actual chemtrails. They're actual weather-altering chemicals to where they can modify weather. And this right here is a prime example. This is a snowball. I didn't even crunch it up hard. It was harder to even form into a snowball for the fact that it was so dusty. But after I got it inside in regular temperature, I got it into somewhat of a ball. Try it again. Up close. In front of my face. Look at this. Look at this. Nothing melting. Absolutely nothing melting. No melt whatsoever. Wow. It's like pretty much, it's like a styrofoam. Beer drink shorty, man. Look at this. Last try, last attempt. It's up underneath the flame. Let's see if it melts at all. No melt. No melt. This is our snow. Pull it back, son. This is the Georgia snow from my snowstorm. Kids, I hope you weren't eating snow. Because who are you? I'm gonna take it to another level. I'm gonna take it one step further. This is an ice cube straight out of the freezer box. Even more solid form of frozen water than snow. Let's see what this does. Damn. Instantly starts to heat. Look at that. Drip. Look, went right on my hand, dripping water. Why didn't the snow do that, nigga?